Make a change by helping your car's engine perform efficiently with the new air filter from Filterheads.com.
To access the air filter, first open the hood. The air filter is located here. Unclip and remove the filter housing door. Lift the housing and remove the old filter. Remove any debris in the housing. Install your new AF5244 filter into the housing. Remember that driving without an air filter is dangerous, and replacing your filter can improve your gas mileage. Rotate and lock the securing pins. Once the filter is fully flushed and the housing is aligned, reinstall the filter housing door. Close the hood. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.